it's Christa with artisticvegan.com. Welcome back to my kitchen and another Artistic Vegan show. Today I made lunch for the Gravity Body Academy students. We're in week 5. We made it to week 5, and so for lunch I wanted to make something nice and delicious, and we're having some soba noodles with a creamy tahini sauce. It also has some soy and ginger and garlic in there, and then a whole bunch of vegetables combined with it. First, you want to make your pasta and set it aside. And bring those to a boil, just cook them as per package, and then pour cold water over them and set them aside, and you're all done. Then you make your sauce, and you just combine either soy sauce, tamari sauce, or your favorite aminos, some minced ginger, minced garlic, some tahini, or if you want, you could do peanut butter if you want more of that flavor, and some either agave or maple syrup, and water. And then I also added rice vinegar for a little bit of tang, and you could even add more lime or lemon to taste, or even some hot sauce. You could get creative, however you want it there. Mix it together, give it a taste, and set that aside. Then you want to either heat up some oil, or you could go with vegetable broth or water for oil-free, no problem, and saute your onions for about 3 to 5 minutes in a wok or your favorite pan, and then add your peppers. I used a mixture of bell pepper, poblano, and banana pepper, so you could use your favorite. Slice those up, cook those for another few minutes, then add your carrots, cook those until tender, and then add your cabbage. So then you just bring it all together, and it's as simple as that, and set it aside. Then if you are eating it on the spot, then normally I just add my noodles to the vegetables, add the sauce, and bring it all together until it's nice and hot, and then you can serve it. If you have cilantro, it's really wonderful to put that on top, serve it with a little side salad. So that's it. You can even put a little lime wedge on top and some chopped cashews or peanuts if you'd like for a little extra crunch and garnish. So it's a really nice recipe. It comes together very easily, and it's absolutely delicious. Last night, my husband and his friend had it, and they both really liked it, and I already have it in the fridge ready to go for later today, so excellent. You can get the recipe at artisticvegan.com, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.